In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a slide color in PowerPoint if you want to give your presentation a fresh new look. Changing the background color of your slide is a quick and easy way to do it. This can help your slides feel more polished, match your brand or theme, or simply make your content stand out more clearly. To get started, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to change the color. Move your mouse over to the empty background area of that slide, then right-click. In the menu that appears, select Format Background. This will open the formatting pane, usually on the right-hand side of the screen. Once the Format Background pane is open, look for the Solid Fill option and select it. This tells PowerPoint that you want to use one single color as the background for the slide. After that, click the color icon, which looks like a small paint bucket or color selector. A color menu will appear, and from there you can choose the exact color you want for your slide background. Take a moment to pick a color that works well with your text and other slide elements. For example, if your text is dark, a lighter background may be easier to read. If your text is light, a darker background can create better contrast. If you only want to change the current slide, you can stop there. But if you want the same background color to appear on every slide in the presentation, go to the bottom of the Format Background pane and click Apply to All. PowerPoint will instantly update every slide with that same color, saving you time and keeping your presentation consistent. And that's it. That's how you change a slide color in PowerPoint, whether you want to update just one slide or the entire presentation.